Okay, these are some of the common charting tools and indicators. You can do your own research on this. Okay, many people use MACD, Stoch, RSI. For me, I feel that it's too common. I don't use this. I use more exotic signals. Later, I'll show you one example. In trading, it's not as complicated. Just remember three things. Your level, what strategy you want to use and trigger. Okay, basically level. So the first one is that I need to identify key levels. That's what I keep talking about the moving averages. Okay, you can also draw your support resistance line, trend lines, Fibonacci levels, my favorite. What strategy you want to use? Some people don't use indicators. For me, I use indicators. Some just use price action, basically naked candlesticks. All right? And you use multiple technical indicators for confluence. For example, you can't just rely on RSI. You can't just rely on MACD. Okay, MACD is actually lagging, right? Lagging. It follows. It's a reactive mechanism, reactive technique. And then you also look at your styles, your time frame. Whether you want to look at trend following, momentum. So is it easy? Not easy. A lot of homework you need to do. But at least I can show you the basic 3 steps before you can enter a buy. So after that, you need to know your trigger price. You need to prepare. So depending on what kind of indicators you want to use, what position sizing you want to use, and you have to set your limit orders on liquid platform. Okay, use liquid platform to buy. Don't use market order. Use limit orders, which means I set a particular price I want to buy. What about exit? So people ask, so how do I know where to sell? Basically, only four scenarios. First scenario is that I already set my target price. I want to make 10%. That's about it. Because it's my personal target price. I'm happy about it. The second way, more on the automatic one, I can set my trailing stop function. Later I'll elaborate more on trailing stop. This will enable you to safeguard your profits automatically. Okay? And you can use on liquid. Another one that most people do not know, at least you can learn something, at the Fibonacci levels. These key levels where most advanced traders will take profit. 50%, 61.8. Later I'll show you how accurate is this. And Fibonacci levels is important because it's about support, resistance levels, stop loss, target prices. Sorry, here should be number 4. So basically the fourth way is that you're using your preferred tools that give you a signal, crossover, moving average crossover, by various tools. It could be a MACD, could be a RSI, could be ADX, could be a Ichimoku. So for me personally, I use Ichimoku, but it's very complicated. I will share it with you guys today. So trailing stop, basically, imagine I enter a price here. I can set a trailing stop order and it moves up when the price goes up. So just in case if suddenly there's a big plunge in the market, some bad news occur, okay, and the trailing stop will automatically becomes a stop sell order, okay, and I'll sell it at a profit. So this will help you to safeguard your profits. At this point, I will show you a video so you can understand better.
Welcome to Liquid. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about stop orders and trailing stop orders. First, let's look at stop orders. You use stop orders when you want to stop your loss from getting too much or to limit your losses. A stop order is an order you can set to be executed when the market price of an asset hits a certain target. This is useful if you don't have time to monitor the market, so you have all your bases covered. For more advanced traders, stop orders can be used to take advantage of price breaks and price momentum in a given direction, allowing users to buy if the price is moving up, or sell if the price is moving down. To set a stop work order on Liquid, you first need to go to the exchange and choose your trading pair. In this example, we will be using the BTC USD pair. Select Stop on the order form and select either Buy or Sell. If you're going to choose Buy, the stop price must be over the current market price. If you choose Sell, the stop price must be less than the current market price. At the moment, we can see the market price of BTC is $6,390. If we want to protect our investment, we can set a stop order at $6,290, $100 below the current price, to cover us in case the price starts to dip. When the price hits $6,290, the stop order will be executed as a market order. Now, let's look at a trailing stop order. A trailing stop order is a stop order with a limit that trails the market price. For example, if a user sets a trailing stop order $10 below market price. As the price rises, the trailing stop will follow and remain $10 below the market price. If the price falls over $10, the stop order will be executed. In the order form, choose Trailing Stop and select whether you want to buy or sell. We are going to set a trailing stop to sell BTC. Select the distance type, either fiat or percentage. Enter the price distance. This is how far the stop order will trail from the market price. Finally, enter the amount and submit the order. You can view the status of your order in the Order tab below.